Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're a Nigerian planning to travel to the United Kingdom for tourism, to visit friends or family, attend a conference, or take a short business trip, you'll need a standard visitor visa. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to apply for a UK visit visa from Nigeria, including the documents you need, how to book your appointment, what to expect at your biometrics, and tips to increase your chances of approval. Let's get into it. Number 1. What is the UK Standard Visitor Visa? The UK Standard Visitor Visa is what you need if you're going to the UK for tourism or sightseeing, visiting friends or family, attending a business meeting or seminar, participating in a short course under 6 months, receiving private medical treatment. This visa is usually valid for 6 months, but you can apply for a 2-year, 5-year, or 10-year visa if you qualify and pay the correct fees. Remember, you cannot work, claim public funds, or stay long-term on this visa. Number 2. Step-by-step application process. Let's walk through how to apply. Step 1. Visit the UK government website. Go to https://www.gov.uk/standard-visitor. Click on Apply Now and you'll be redirected to the visa application system. Step 2. Fill out the online application form. This part takes around 30 to 45 minutes. Make sure you have your passport and your travel plans ready. Details to fill include personal info: name, job, nationality, passport, purpose of visit, travel dates, even estimated ones are fine, how long you intend to stay, accommodation and travel arrangements, employment and financial situation, family and travel history, who is paying for the trip, criminal or immigration history, if any, be truthful and consistent. False information can lead to a 10-year ban. Step 3. Pay the visa fee. After filling the form, you'll be prompted to pay the visa fee. Current fee as of 2025. £115 for a 6-month visa, £400 for a 2-year visa, £771 for a 5-year visa, £963 for a 10-year visa. You can pay with your debit, credit card. After payment, you'll be able to book your biometrics appointment. Step 4. Book your biometrics appointment. You'll be redirected to the Contact website. This is the UK's official visa partner in Nigeria. Choose a center near you, Lagos, Ikeja, or Victoria Island. Abuja. Select an available date and time for your biometrics. You can also pay for priority visa service, usually processed within 5 working days, or other premium services like document scanning or SMS alerts. Print your appointment confirmation and make note of the location. Number 3. Prepare your supporting documents. These are extremely important. Here's what you must have. Required documents: printed visa application form, appointment confirmation, passport valid for at least 6 months, with blank pages, passport photograph. Some centers scan your photo, but carry one just in case. Cover letter explaining your purpose of visit, plans, funding, and ties to Nigeria. Proof of financial capacity. Personal bank statement last 6 months. Stamped payslips if employed, business documents if self-employed, accommodation and flight details, even if tentative hotel booking or invitation letter from a host, round-trip flight reservation, employment letter or school letter confirming leave or status, evidence of ties to Nigeria, land documents, tax certificate, marriage certificate, children's birth certs, etc. Optional but helpful. Invitation letter if visiting someone, their passport or residence permit. Copy travel itinerary. All documents should be in English or officially translated. Number 4. Biometrics appointment day. Here's what to expect. Go to the Contact center you selected. Bring all your documents. You'll have your fingerprints and photo taken. Your documents may be scanned there or uploaded online in advance. You may be asked to submit your passport for visa processing. If you paid for premium lounge, you'll get a more comfortable setting. Number 5. Wait for a decision after biometrics. Standard processing time: 15 working days, about 3 weeks. Priority visa: 5 working days if paid for. You'll get an email when a decision has been made. You can pick up your passport from Contact or request delivery if paid for. If approved, your visa vignette sticker will be in your passport with details like entry dates, visa duration type. Visitor number 6. Common reasons for visa refusal. Avoid these mistakes. insufficient, or unexplained funds, fake or unverifiable documents, unclear travel plans, weak ties to Nigeria, no job, school, assets, past visa refusals, not properly explained, lack of invitation. Letter if relevant. If denied, you can reapply immediately, but only after correcting the issue. Number 7. Sample purpose statements. Cover letter snippets. Need ideas for your cover letter? Try these. Asterisk, I am applying for a UK standard visitor visa to attend my cousin's wedding in Manchester. I will stay for 2 weeks and return to Nigeria in time for my work resumption as a business owner in Lagos. I am attending the International Clothing Expo in Birmingham. This trip will last for 5 days, and I've included my event registration and return flight reservation. I am traveling to London with my wife for tourism and sightseeing. We have booked hotels, and I have sufficient funds to cover our trip. Number 8. Final tips for approval. Always be honest and organized. Should you have enough funds for your trip? Prove that you will return to Nigeria. Job, school, family, business. Prepare LL supporting documents. Upload them clearly. PDF. No. Blur if doing online document submission. Don't overstay or violate visa terms. And that's the full guide on how to apply for a UK visit visa as a Nigerian. Whether you're visiting for a vacation, family event, or business seminar, following these steps will help you apply with confidence and avoid rejection. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe for more visa and travel tips. Drop any questions in the comments. I reply to everyone. Good luck with your application and safe travels to the UK.